go-to channel for mastering AI tools. Today, we're diving deep into Grok, xAI's game-changing chatbot that's taking 2025 by storm. Whether you're a newbie curious about AI or a pro looking to optimize your workflows, our 11-point guide has you covered with practical tips, insider hacks, and ready-to-use prompts. Stick around to unlock Grok's full potential, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI goodness. Let's get started.
When we use AI models like Grok 4, ChatGPT, or any other, there are a few settings called parameters. These settings control how the AI behaves, like whether it should answer in a very serious way or be more creative and open-minded. Here are the main ones. Temperature, temp. For example, think of it like spice level in food. 1. Low temp, 0.1 to 0.3. AI gives safe, factual, predictable answers. Good for technical or serious work. 2. High temp, 0.6 to 0.8. AI gets more creative, experimental, and diverse. Good for brainstorming stories, new ideas. Top P, called nucleus sampling. Just a fancy way of saying how many different options the AI considers before picking words. 1. Low top P, 0.8. AI sticks to the most likely common words. 2. High top P, 0.95. AI explores more unusual words, phrases. You can think of it like choosing between a small menu versus a large buffet. Max tokens. This is the limit of words, or word pieces, in the AI's reply. Example, 1,000 tokens, approximately 700 to 750 words. If you set it low, replies will be short. If high, AI can give longer, detailed answers. Default settings, general use. Temperature approximately 0.5. Balance between safe and creative. Works well for most conversations, so in short, temp equals controls creativity. Boring, arrow, wide. Top P equals controls how wide the choice of words is. Max tokens equals controls length of reply. Here's your refined and professional version. Last but not least, the quotation mark is used to highlight something important or to differentiate it from the rest of the text. However, in AI, especially in text-to-speech, it is sometimes narrated as inches, which can cause confusion. To avoid this, and for your better understanding, I have explained these terms before starting the actual lesson.
1. Quick ID. Grok 4 is xAI's flagship large language model designed for advanced reasoning, multimodal interacts, and real-time information processing to assist users in complex problem-solving and creative tasks. 2. Detailed feature inventory. Core capabilities. Advanced conversation and reasoning, for example, math, science, finance. Native tool use, for example, web search. Code execution, X analysis. Multimodal, text generation, image/video creation, document/PDF analysis, voice mode. Memory. Stateful sessions with up to 2 million token context window in Grok 4 fast variant. Summarization. Code generation/debugging, strategic planning. Input/output modalities. Dash. Input. Text, voice apps only, images, PDFs/files, URLs. Output, text, images/videos. Via Grok Imagine, voice responses, code snippets, structured data, for example, JSON. Integrations and extensibility. Dash plugins, real-time web/X search, API tools, e.g. OpenRouter, Versal AI Gateway. Dash external APIs. xAI API for custom integrations. Supports chaining with tools like code interpreters. Extensibility. Prompt chaining for agentic workflows. Compatible with SDKs for app embedding. Runtime and deployment. Dash cloud-based via xAI servers. No on-prem/offline support. Dash accessible on web. Grok.com, x.com, iOS/Android apps, API for developers. Privacy, data retention, and security. Data used for model training unless opted out. Conversations private by default. Security, rate limits to prevent abuse. No end-to-end encryption details disclosed. Compliance, focus on truth-seeking, minimal censorship. Cost and access model. Free tier, limited queries per day on grok.com/apps. Grok 4 fast free for all. Dash paid, super Grok dollar per month. Details at x.ai/Grok for higher limits. Premium plus on X for access. Dash API $0.2 per 1 million input tokens. $0.5 per 1 million output. No strict limits disclosed. 3. Observable characteristics. Tone. Witty, concise, truth-oriented, less verbose than competitors with humorous edge inspired by Hitchhiker's Guide. Verbosity. Balanced. Detailed when needed but prioritizes brevity. Low hallucination and reasoning tasks. Factuality. High with real-time search integration. Cites sources via tool. Latency. Fast. Grok 4 fast variant. Second. Voice mode adds minor delay on apps. Reliability, strong in technical tasks, 95% plus accuracy on benchmarks like ARCAGI. Modes. Rare hallucinations and ungrounded creative tasks. Occasional refusals on unsafe queries. Minimal repetition. Strengths and weaknesses by task type. Creative/video gen but may over-humorize. Technical, top tier for coding/math. Beats, GPT-5 on reasoning benchmarks. Factual, reliable with search, but pre-2025 training data may need verification. Fourth, best use cases. Complex reasoning/problem solving. Ideal for math, science, or finance puzzles. Leverages multi-agent reasoning for step-by-step accuracy. Code generation and debugging automates. EDA, UI prototypes, or bug fixes. Handles large code bases efficiently. Document analysis. Summarizes 100-plus page PDFs with key insights and visuals. Extracts action items seamlessly. Real-time research. Analyzes X trends or web data for sentiment/market insights. Integrates live info. Creative media generation. Produces images, touch-out videos from prompts. Fast iteration for concepts like cyberpunk art. Strategic planning. Outlines productivity workflows or troubleshooting. Multi-tool chaining for depth. Voice-enabled assistance. Hands-free coding or Q&A on apps. Natural dialogue flow. Tasks to avoid. Highly niche domain expertise, e.g. obscure legal docs. Lacks deep specialization. Use domain-specific tools. Real-time collaborative editing, stateless per session. Better with Google Docs AI. Ultra-sensitive privacy tasks. Data and risks. Opt local models like Llama. Comparative context versus Claude, a similar reasoning-focused LLM. Task 1. Coding, debugging. Grok 4. Advantage, faster tool chaining. Humor aids explanations. Claude advantage. Deeper ethical checks and code reviews. Task 2. Multimodal analysis. Grok 4 advantage. Native X/video integration for real-time media. Claude advantage. Stronger long context handling for books. Task 3. Real-time research. Grok 4 advantage. Superior X ecosystem search for social trends. Claude advantage. Broader web browsing without API limits. 5. Hidden, little-known information. Best capabilities. Agentic chaining for multi-step tasks. For example, search arrow. Analyze arrow code. Emergent Video Gen Grok Imagine, 1/4 editor speed. Use Auto Mode for dynamic model routing. Obscure limitations. Data freshness relies on tools. Cut off approximately mid-2005 without search. Weaker in non-English languages. No native offline mode. Model updates bi-weekly, but API lags 1 to 2 days. Quirks and mitigations. Tends to inject humor in serious prompts. Prefix with respond professionally. Exploits. Chain think step by step for 20% better reasoning. Mitigate context drift by summarizing prior exchanges. Step-by-step guide. Set up and onboarding. Visit grok.com or download iOS Android app. Sign X account. For API, go to console.x.ai, create account, generate, install xAI's via pip. Pip install xAI-SDK. Enable voice. In app settings, toggle voice mode. Test with simple query. Beginner onboarding. Your first task. Open the Grok interface, web or app, and start a new chat. Copy-paste this prompt. Explain what Grok is in simple terms under 100 words. Review the response, then follow up. How can I use you for coding? To explore basics. Typical interaction flow. Start session. Use system message for persona, e.g., you are a precise engineer. User messages. Provide context first, then query. Append tools via tool if API. Manage context. Keep under 128,000 tokens default. Use summarize previous for longer. Managing long conversations in memory. Strategies. Inject summaries as user messages. Use external RAG for retrieval. Reset via new chat for clean slate. For 2, M context, fast. Upload files directly. Chain summaries to avoid overflow. Logging, monitoring, and cost control. Log via API callbacks. Monitor usage in console.x.ai dashboard. Control. Max tokens equals 1,000 for brevity. Match queries. Free tier for testing. Upgrade for volume. 7. How to get maximum and highest quality output. Prompt structure template. System plus user plus assistant expectation. System. You are, persona for example, expert coder. Respondent format for example, JSON. Use chain of thought for reasoning. Cite sources. User. Context/files. Task specific step by step. Parameters. Temperature equals open bracket. 0.2 to 0.8 close bracket. Max tokens equals open bracket 500 to 2000 close bracket. Expected assistant structured output with reasoning trace. Tailored examples, A factual. QA system. Fact check all claims with search. Output as bullet list with citations. User, what are 2025 AI benchmarks for Grok 4? Temperature equals 0.1. Max token equals 800. Low temp for precision. B. Creative writing. System. Write engaging sci-fi in 500 words. Infuse humor. User. Story about AI rebellion. Temperature equals 0.7. Top P equals 0.9. Higher temp for variety. C. Code generation just debugging. System. Output executable Python. Explain changes. User. Debug this function. Code. Temperature equals 0.2. Max tokens equals 1,500. Low temp, high tokens for detail. D. Data extraction, system, extracted JSON schema, key, value. User, from this CSV's data, pull trends. Temperature equals 0.1 inch. E. Multimodal, system. Describe image, then generate variant. User, analyze image underscore URL, create cyberpunk version. Temperature equals 0.5 inch. Parameter tuning, factual technical. Temp equals 0.1 to 0.3. Top P equals 0.8. Max tokens equals 1. Minimize variance. Creative. Temp equals 0.6 to 0.8. Top P equals 0.95. Max tokens equals 2,000. Encourage diversity. General. Default temp equals 0.5. Hallucinations. Always enable search. Use web search for facts. Add chain of thought, step 1. Verify with follow-up, cite sources for claim. Consistent tone, persona. Use system prompt for enforcement. Append maintain tone to user messages. Output format enforcement. Specify output as JSON, just schema, or use markdown table. Validate post response. Prompt chains and automation. Chain, query 1 arrow. Summarize output arrow, query 2 with summary. Sample script, Python via xAI SDK. Python. From xAI import Grok client Large Grok client API key your key. Response 1 equals client.chat open parenthesis system equals analyze data close parenthesis. User raw data input. Summary. Client chat user of chef summarize. Response 1. Final. Client chat user FF based on summary generate code. Advanced API example script batch processing xpost. Python from xAI import Grok client import JSON. For parsing client, Grok client API key your key. Step 1. Search X for posts. xEar posts dxear client.tool. xEar semantic X search. Query AI ethics 2025 limited 5. Summaries fee for post in JSON.loads. X open bracket. Close bracket posts, : assuming JSON output response client.chat system equals summarize ethically. User equals F, post text. Summaries.append equals response. Step 2, aggregate. Aggregate equals client.chat. User equals F, I should combine summaries. JSON.dumps summaries. Print aggregate. Output aggregated insights. Iterate use find this output for 2 to 3 loops. 3 ready to use templates. Accuracy focused, factual. System. Be precise, cite via tools. COT for verification. User. Explain topic. Ground in 2025 sources. Temperature equals 0.1 degrees Celsius. Concision. Template, system. Respond in less than 300 words. Bullet points only. User. Summarize, doc. Max tokens equals 400. Creativity. Template, system. Emulate Douglas Adams, vivid, witty. User. Invent scenario. Temp equals 0.8. Top P equals 0.9. Quality assurance and evaluation. Metrics. Sources. Relevance. Semantic similarity greater than 0.8 via Cosine. Coherence. Perplexity less than 10.